Hello, friends. Welcome to a brand new Kendra's Card Challenge. We are up to number 22, and today our amazing team is even more amazing than last quarter because we have some brand new designers joining us. And in fact, we are now hopping here on YouTube and as well on Instagram. So check out both hops because both of them have giveaways. Now, on YouTube, our video designers are each sharing a sketch that if you watch the entire hop playlist, you're going to actually see all 15 cards get made. Today, I'll be sharing sketch number 11. I love this sort of quilted look. And basically, here's how I'm going to approach this sketch. So as with anything, when I see pattern papers that butt up to one another directly, I like to just dry fit them together as I'm doing here. And I'm going to actually washi tape them to each other so that it becomes easier for me to get the proper placement on the final card. So one thing that you may notice with this is that looking at the top section of the sketch, it's sort of a herringbone pattern. And so those pieces fit basically orthogonally to one another. So you just need to push them right up against each other and then do what I'm doing. Just washi tape this top portion, the herringbone pattern, together. And then it'll be really easy to kind of figure out what angle you need to place this at so that it will fit properly onto the panel below it. So if you look at the sketch, the panel below it is shown in white, and that's what I've chosen for my layer as well. If you want, that could be whatever you would like, because anything that you see indicated on the sketch as white, gray, or black, that's designer's choice. You can add more pattern paper there, solid color cardstock, an embossed panel, whatever you would like. So now that I have that one piece, it's easier for me to kind of adjust and get that positioned perfectly so that the pattern goes edge to edge where it needs to be, and then I can clip it off against that white panel that I have. And what's great about Kendra's sketches is that they always have measurements. So whether you are just making one sketch at a time, or you're following along with the challenge and cutting down 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper to create the full set of 15 cards, you have the measurements there and you can follow them as closely and precisely as you would like, or you can deviate. So the white panel measures 3 3/4 by 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this sort of quilted panel that features, today I'm actually using this gorgeous sort of Alice in Wonderland floral theme by My Pretty Things. And now now that it's just one piece, I can position it onto that 3 3/4 by 5-inch white panel. And all I'm looking for as I'm doing that is to make sure that it goes off the edge and that the pattern is visible in that top section. And as you can see, this is just leftover from one of my printables, which I print out a lot of the printables sometimes to test, and then they don't make it to be the final one, so I don't actually even use those prints in my videos or card making. And so I keep those as scraps, and it's great for this because if you use a slightly thinner cardstock, like the printer paper that I have, it's only a 42-pound cover weight. It's great for techniques like this where mostly I'm using that layer so that I can position this quilted pattern correctly. I am also using it for the color though, because I do want the bottom section to be white. In fact, I'm gonna stamp my sentiment there. I feel like this pattern is really the star of this card. So I actually am not going to add a focal image over top of it, but I'm just going to stamp a small sentiment below it in that white space. And of course, if it's going to be the star, I need to add some bling, really dress it up a little bit. So I'm adding some Love from Lizzie's pinstripe stickers, and that's going to have a nice little divide in between each of these pattern papers where they sort of meet up with one another. Kind of feel like it cleans up those edges a little bit more, adds a little bit of sparkle and shine, and overall just is a way to really elevate this design. Now, as you watch me place these Love from Lizzie strips, let me tell you about the giveaway that you can win by hopping along today. Kendra is giving away a huge prize package. I think it's $250 of D-Stash goodies. One winner is going to get to claim that. And you're going to have multiple chances to enter because we know that our hop is pretty long. You're going to see some new designers joining our video team. You're going to see all 15 sketches. And so for that time commitment, we want you to have the ability to enter that giveaway one time for each channel's video you watch. Now, to make sure that you're actually watching our videos, each of us will be giving you a passphrase. When you go to click the form to enter for that huge, amazingly generous giveaway from Kendra, you will need to indicate which channel's video you watched and the super secret passphrase that the designer gave you during their video. My passphrase is we're each actually going to tell you what our most used crafty tool is. My most used crafty tool, I think I would have to say, is my ergonomic bone folder. Ergonomic might be hard to spell. It is for me. So if you just put bone folder, that's going to qualify as well. But my ergonomic bone folder specifically is the one that I use on every single card because I'm a big believer in burnishing not just folds that you put into your papers, but I also burnish every time I glue something down because it helps you to maximize the strength of your adhesive. So I think that would have to be, I know it's so boring, isn't it, a bone folder, but that's going to be my most used crafty tool and my secret passphrase for you to enter for a chance to win that amazing prize package from Kendra. Don't forget, find us on Instagram and hop along there too, because there's a different prize that you can win over on Instagram. I'll let you figure that out when you head on over there and meet our designers. We do have some new designers joining the video team, and we have a whole new team of designers who are going to create inspiration for you every single day of the week. There's going to be a designer who's posting cards and playing along with Kendra's card challenge. So if you want inspiration, just follow the designers on our team because we are going to just blow up your social media with KCC cards. If you're new to the challenge, definitely expand the description box below and download this free PDF. It's going to show you how to cut 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and create a full set of 15 cards. Not only that, you're going to have a chance to win prizes every single month for the next 3 months. This challenge runs from April 1st through June 30th, and in each of those months, you'll get to enter one unique set of 15 cards once per month, giving you 3 opportunities to win. We have some amazing prize sponsors who've donated to the challenge, and Kendra actually chooses winners. At the end of every month, she'll gather up everybody who's entered for that month, and at the beginning of the following month, she'll pick winners. So you don't have to wait until the end of the quarter to see if you've won anything. You've got chances to win every single quarter if you're entering, or every single month if you're entering every month. So friends, thank you so much for checking out my video today. Do hop along and meet the rest of our video designers, and I can't wait to see your KCC cards. Thanks, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.